What is good, J Nitro Nation? Do you guys like being called the J Nitro Nation, or should I change it to the Nitro Club? Let me know. I'm out here. The wind is blowing hard. I don't know if you guys can even see that right there. It's crazy out here today, y'all. Y'all need to be safe out here. I'm out here because, you know, I'm filming. Look at those trees over there. Look above the house. The wind is crazy, y'all. So y'all need to stay safe out here. I'm not going in right now, but yeah. I'm just enjoying it until it rains. Yeah, I'll be out here until it rains. Look how the water is forming right here. Almost got that stuck in my foot. Well, in my shoe. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna watch this storm. Why, you may ask? I love nature. Interesting. Water is way more powerful than wind, if you don't know this already. It's way more powerful. See you guys in the next one.